When it comes to protecting your family from radon, choosing the right mitigation company is essential. Here are the top 5 reasons why Utah Radon Services is the right choice for your home. First, it is important to understand that radon is a radioactive gas that requires specialized training to properly mitigate. In Utah, certification is not required to install a radon system, making it especially important to choose a company that uses only certified technicians. All of our technicians are certified through the National Radon Proficiency Program, so you can be sure that your new system is installed correctly, following all standards. Second, we have over 1,000 5-star Google reviews. When it comes to choosing who to trust, nothing speaks louder than the experiences of thousands of satisfied customers. Third, experience matters. Some radon companies rely on plumbers or poorly trained technicians with limited experience to install their systems, failing to follow nationally recognized standards. We install more systems than all other Utah radon companies combined, giving us unmatched experience. That experience ensures that your system is built using proven best methods and adheres to national standards. Fourth, radon fans run 24/7, so quiet operation and small details matter. We install a proprietary sound muffler in every system and flexible couplers and backer rods to reduce vibration and noise, making ours the quietest system available in Utah. Fifth, an effective radon system starts with a tight seal under your foundation. Other companies chisel holes in your foundation, creating a mess of dust. This low-tech approach also leads to poor sealing and reduced performance. We use commercial-grade wet core drilling and install pipe floor bushings to create a clean, tight seal for maximum effectiveness. With nationally certified technicians, over 1,000 5-star Google reviews, and more systems installed than any other company in Utah, Utah Radon Services leads in experience and trust. We design ultra-quiet systems with sound-reducing components and use clean, professional core drilling to create a tight, effective seal, delivering safer, more reliable, and longer-lasting results for your home. When it comes to protecting your family, don't settle. Choose the company Utah homeowners trust. Choose Utah Radon Services.